So naman second signing in YouTube, January 12, 2011. I'm a bit energized today, so I will teach you another tutorial. Okay, una mas tutorial, Sharpshooter B 4.7 actual work. Well, actual work because so many of my colleagues and my friends do PM me in my main, and they do ask me how do I log in my Sharpshooter B 4.7 and how do I put it in the room, because they have problem logging it in and putting it in the room. So this una mas tutorial, Sharpshooter B 4.7 in actual work. So I have my Supra. As you can see, I put in some bots. What I wish to put that bots is Sharpshooter B 4.7. Okay, you must in here. You must load bots, and you must click in check socks and load socks here. YMC protocol 17, logout 5050, C2213 SPO1 yahoo.com, logging Europe. You want to log in India, yahoo.com. I'm logging Europe, captured.yahoo.com, room list. So I'm choosing this one for, and room list is here, room list, and there it goes. And so I'm just showing a tutorial here. So okay, for how it works, I will show you how it works, and let's do it. So to do this in here, okay, let's go, and let's keep it small. Okay, here how it works, and you must click in Crazy Bot Destroy. Here you can click this one, Y in room boot, and mass add mass PM. Okay, if you want to mass add, you want to YM room boot. Here just click it in, and here's the chat screen. There it goes. Crazy Bot Destroy, main panel, and bots. Login if you want to have it come. Fake webcam here, fake webcam all, gout, okay, refresh, unlock, join option, disable PMs. I will disable PMs. You must tick this disable PMs. Okay, EG beam, anti-cam, action, clear chat screen, send PM. Okay, and conference panel if you want to be invited in the conference here. Okay, bots. Okay, here, file, open, actions, and chat screen. As you can see, it's chat screen. Crazy Bot Destroys. And now the actual thing about this, okay, I will click in here. It goes. This is mimic, welcome users, and auto response. Now I will choose in mimic auto response, auto greetings. Now here's the tutorial, the actual video. This mimicking color slug, and it goes. As you click in color slug, it will log like that here. See in the chat screen. Okay, it log like that. So it's much difficult when you're doing it in a screen video recorders. It may lag because these ones do have here goes, color slug. Here goes. These ones have a it will log your system when you're, especially when you're doing it in screen videos. Here goes, login, stop it, and charge log, and you will wait till it's charged, then it will release, and it has big spam in the room, and just like that. So this is when I'm signing out in YouTube. As you can see, room booting, there goes, mass set and mass PM. And example, I will click it mass set here, mass set. It's much way more difficult when you're doing it in your screen Recording